Okay. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at me with the camera.
That, my friends, is the starter. The Bendix of the starter is not fully pulling the gear back. The drive that engages the flex plate.
Okay.
The Bendix of the starter is not fully retracting, and that's what that freaking noise is. Got a 07 Silverado. Hey, it just usually when you step on the gas and you accelerate, you get this like ring ding ding tinny noise, and it basically kind of for the most part goes away once you're kind of cruising. But it's getting a little bit worse on this one. You can hear it going up hills, and I gotta confirm it, pull it out. We'll look at the starter, but that's what it is. That noise is a starter, usually pulling away from a stoplight or stop sign or pulling out a driveway for like the first 1 to 3 seconds max, 1 or 2 seconds, you'll hear this ding 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 noise, and it's a bad Bendix, not retracting the starter gear all the way, and it's just kind of just tapping on the flywheel. So there you go. You guys can chase your tails on that one, because a lot of people think it's a flex plate that's cracked, or torque converter bolts, or all kinds of transmission issues, and it's a starter. So have fun with it. You're welcome. Oh, follow up on that 07 Silverado that was making that metal noise, and we said was a starter. We went ahead and pulled that starter out, or at least Dimitri did. I was in the office, not
finally get credit?
Not working. And what did we find?
We found a broken Bendix spring, which doesn't retract back. So what it does, it makes a cleaning noise, making you think it's a cracked flywheel.
That noise you heard on the other video, that did it right there. That's not supposed to do that.
No.
The starter still starts the car, but
and
it doesn't pull that.
If you look at the gears,
yeah, they're all shiny from hitting that.
They're shiny stuff. And if you come over here to the flywheel, you're gonna see like this.
Yeah, nice shiny.
Right there up on the flat spot of the flywheel.
Let's see if I can get in there.
Here. We'll do it this way. There you go. You can see that black line up on the flywheel.
I don't know, can I?
You go in farther now. You go in farther.
The camera's not really getting it.
No. Do it up on an angle.
There. Let's see this. There we go. See those nice shiny marks on the flywheel?
You wouldn't believe how many people pull transmissions out looking for a cracked flywheel.
That's right. I love being right.
For once.
Oh my gosh.
For once.